Hello. Do you want to speak English fluently? Do you dream of using the language easily every day? In your daily life, at work, or at school? In this video, you will learn simple steps, practical and easy steps for beginners. We will learn listening, then speaking. And we will learn reading and also writing. If you practice daily, you will improve quickly. You will speak with more confidence and fluency. Let's start the learning journey now. The dream of speaking English fluently is a big dream for many learners around the world, especially beginners at the start of the journey. But the important truth is that fluency is possible. It is not difficult and not impossible, and it does not need special intelligence or rare talent. It is only a skill that needs daily practice. Fluency does not mean without mistakes. It simply means expressing yourself easily and speaking confidently in front of others. Make English part of your daily life. The first important step is to make the language daily. Listen to English every day. Watch educational videos regularly. Read simple texts that match your level. Start with easy words and short sentences. Then move gradually to longer sentences. Good listening improves pronunciation and helps you know the word order. Repeat what you hear out loud. Daily repetition trains your tongue and makes your speech natural with time. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Never be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are very important in learning. Every fluent speaker made mistakes before, but they continued and did not stop. Speak with yourself in English daily. Talk about your work or your food. Talk about your studies or tomorrow's plans. This makes your mind think in English. Learn daily phrases and basic grammar. Learn very common daily phrases, like greeting, asking, and answering. These phrases are used a lot and help you start speaking with big confidence. Learning grammar is important, but gradually. Focus on present, past, and future, and use them always in your life. Reading and writing build your language. Daily reading expands your vocabulary and shows you how words are used in sentences. Write your daily notes in English, even if only one sentence. Then increase the sentences gradually. Writing organizes your thoughts and speaking brings them out. Practice real conversation. Look for a conversation partner or use AI applications. Ask a lot and answer with sentences. Do not reply with only one word. Use linking words and, but, because. These make your speech longer and clearer. Improve your pronunciation. Record your voice while speaking. Then listen later and correct the pronunciation. Make learning fun. Make learning fun, not heavy. Learn from songs and stories. And learn from subtitled movies. Start with translation, then without it. With time, you will understand more. And you will speak faster, with more confidence. Set a small daily goal. 10 minutes of speaking, or 5 words. Small progress is always better than long, interrupted study. Remember, fluency is not a talent. It is daily training, patience, and consistency. If you start today and continue daily, after a few months you will see a difference. And after a year you will speak easily. Believe in yourself and do not stop. Every small step brings you closer to your goal. Your big goal is speaking fluently in any place and at any time. Practice English in your daily life. Keep practicing even when you feel tired. Success comes from small daily effort. Try to learn new words from your daily life. Name the things you see around you in English. Say the names of objects in your room. Describe your day in simple sentences. Tell the time in English every morning. Ask yourself simple questions and answer them. What am I doing now? Where am I going today? What do I need to finish? Answer slowly, but answer in English. Start thinking directly in English. Do not translate every word in your mind. Try to think directly in English. At first, it will feel difficult, but slowly your brain will adapt. Listen to slow English podcasts for beginners. Pause the audio and repeat the sentences. Copy the pronunciation carefully. Focus on clear sound, not speed. Speed will come naturally later. Build vocabulary and learn with others. Join online English learning communities. Write short comments in English. Read other learners' sentences. Learn from their mistakes and from yours. Keep a small notebook for new words. Review the notebook every evening. Use each new word in one sentence. Simple sentences are enough. Build strong speaking confidence. Confidence grows with use, not with silence. Smile when you speak English. Relax your mouth and speak clearly. Do not rush your speech. Clear speaking is better than fast speaking. Practice speaking in front of a mirror. Look at your face while talking. This builds strong speaking confidence. Keep going and never stop. Celebrate your small progress every week. Notice how many words you understand now. Notice how many sentences you can say. This motivation helps you continue. Remember that learning is a long journey. Every day is one new step forward. Never compare yourself with others. Compare yourself only with yesterday. If you are better than yesterday, you are winning. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep growing. Your future English voice is waiting for you. Start today, speak today, improve today. And soon, speaking English will feel natural.